My milk is for Mateo. You have milk in the fridge? My milk, there's no more milk right now.
No milk.
No.
No.
No. Not for a little bit. Mateo, you gonna walk?
You gonna walk for Grandma? You gonna walk for Grandma?
Hold a toy or something in your hand.
How about a baby? How about a baby? Mateo? How about a baby? You want it? Do you want the baby?
Wanna go on the baby?
No, go on the baby. You want it? That
You
greens.
got a booger?
Yeah.
You get it?
There's a baby. Are you walking? Oh, you do want the baby. They love this cloth. And here's Hannah's pretty anklet.